How to download TikTok on PC. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to download TikTok on your laptop or PC. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to tiktok.com, and what you can do is once you open up tiktok.com, it will allow you to sign into your account or use TikTok. So this is, you can see I'm using my TikTok on my PC right now on my laptop. So if I click on get TikTok for desktop, it will give me TikTok on my desktop. But if you want to download TikTok on your laptop, like, this is the easiest way, right? But if you want to download it, then what you can do is you can go to your Windows store. Like, I have Windows. If you're using Mac, then you will have your own app store, so you can just open it up. So here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna search for TikTok app. All right, and here it is, TikTok application, and I can just, now you can see I have already downloaded it. So you will click on download, and TikTok will be downloaded on your PC or laptop, and you can just open it up anytime you want. Like, I am using TikTok, and now you can also enjoy TikTok on your laptop or PC. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.